idrama besemngcwabeni kaSifiso. I'm really hoping that I'm not the only person who enjoyed it. So guys, uSifiso has finally been laid to rest, and uMabuyi noZethu delivered idrama engingayazi. So I want us to talk about that and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, that uSifiso has finally been laid to rest, wangcwatshwa and everything. But before angcwatshwe, idrama beyilapho uMabuyi benoZethu baze babambana ngezandla mfana kwasuka amaduku emakhanda. But ngithandile impama esho uMabuyi kuZethu. I mean, it was so satisfying because uZethu really deserved that. Ube deserve more, in fact, more than just impama nje. I mean, uZethu had no right ukuthi ahambe uhagana noShobani lapha endlini yakhe. AkuShobani consoling uShobani after uShobani ebulela uSifiso. After lokho futhi abenesiphiwo sokuphinda suke futhi. Emngcwabeni kaSifiso, afike ukhala lapha emngcwabeni kaSifiso like she's the chief mourner. While khona unkosikazi uZethu edelela. So what happened is that leselehlike ibhokisi likaSifiso lapha sethiwa khona yasiyamngcwaba kwenziwa wonke ama-rituals and everything. Wasukuma uZethu as you are seeing on your screen right now, wasukuma yokhala laphayana, and that was all drama. I don't think ukuthi uZethu was feeling any emotion inside here when doing that. So wasukuma laphayana, uyamkhuza kuma wakhe la noNgaraji bahamba umkhuza, bathe besamkhuza asukuma nkwanyana mfana wasukuma waya straight knife wathi wena into uSifiso bayede ithana lapho into phakathi kwamathaza wabuyisa noZethu naye wathi bengangithanda uSifiso wena, you were not satisfying him, that is why he loved me more than you. Wacasuka same time mankwanyana washaya lento kuthi ulabhabha wempama, shaya impama uZethu adakela le kude. So uZethu wathi uzama ubuyisela, and then this commotion happened as we are seeing on the screen right now. So I don't know about you, but I really enjoyed this, and I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. And that is all that I wanted to share with you in this video. I'll make sure to keep you posted on each and every episode of the show. So with all that being said, this is the end. So comment down in the comment section, show your thoughts, show opinions about this, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.